So welcome back to our channel. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year everyone, wherever you are. So yeah, we're back and Bella is here.
With the chili bean.
Yeah, with the chili bean, like I told you last time. So it's been like a while since we posted the last video, since it's so busy at work, crazy. So we'll try to do some surf casting today, just to ease the pressure and something new with our day. I'm just working and working. So yeah, we're here now at Pacific Road Beach. They will try to fish in here. So lots of people fishing, hoping we can get some through. So yeah, come and join us. Let's go, let's go. Dun lahat eh. Sila tiya mo yun. We already set up and then cast our rod on that side, and then we bump into some of our co-work mates. So yeah, like we told you, it's a beautiful day to spend the day on the beach. So maybe probably we'll just stay here until we get hooked into something. So it's about almost 7 o'clock now. So yeah, alright, we'll see you. While we're still waiting for our fish, maybe we'll try to pick out some shells around here. So
we already got a shell.
We've got 3 shells now. Maybe around here. We'll just try to find around here. Okay. So we just found 3 shells. So maybe it will take us 5 hours to complete the kg. But maybe we're just gonna feed it to the birds later. So look at this scallop shell, it's so beautiful. Woo. Swim ka?
Hindi, dyan lang.
Yan mo lang, mataba. Ito lang. Try to get the hook. He swallowed the hook. Fuck. Nice. Wow, look at that. He smashed it. He swallowed it? Oh shit. Yeah, yeah. Went to the other side.
Oh, you just had to break his jaw to...
Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
Went through.
There we go. There you go. savage.
Yes, sir. Where's Bella? Look at that massive Kahawai. Woohoo! It's so big. So hyped with that one. So it's been a while since I catch a big Kahawai like that, and I think it's a good year-ender fish for me and Bella, although Bella was not on beside me when I catch that thing, but still we work as a team. And yeah, so yeah, we're still here. Probably we'll stay a little bit more, and then we'll see if we gonna still catch something good. And then I'll try to, I promise Joe that I'll give him fish if I get another one. So I'll try to catch one for him. So yes. Woo-hoo-hoo! So here's Bella. He got my sweater. It's getting a little bit chilly around here, so we will end the video here. So it's been a wonderful year for me and Bella. It's a big achievement for us that we have started this YouTube channel, and all of you are subscribe and throwing up some comments, and then we'd really appreciate that. So maybe we will do more next year, right?
Next year.
So we have more plans next year, and then
Maybe we'll find we'll go to the other
yeah,
fishing spot.
we'll find more fishing spots, and then hopefully you'll meet our daughter soon. So what we are looking forward, fishing with her and camping with her. So see you around, and then we'll see you next year. So
Happy fishing!
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So, bye everyone, bye.
Bye. See you next year.